In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invite link on Discord. By the end, you will know exactly how to invite people from any device. On a computer, start by opening Discord. Once it loads, you will see your list of servers on the left side. Make sure you are logged into the account that belongs to the server you want to invite people to, so the correct servers appear in that list. Next, select your server. Click the server icon on the left so the main chat area switches to that server. You should now see the server name at the very top left, along with the channels and categories underneath it. That confirms you are working inside the right place before you create the link. From there, click the drop-down next to your server name at the top. It is a small arrow icon beside the server name. When you click it, a menu opens that contains several server-related options. This is the same on Windows, Mac, and when you use Discord in a browser. Now click Invite to Server. This opens a small window or panel in the middle of the screen. You will usually see a list of your friends and, near the bottom, an invite link that Discord has already prepared for you. Many beginners do not notice that the link is already there and ready to use. If you want more control, click Edit Invite Link. Here you can change the expiration time and the number of uses for the link. The expiration setting controls how long the link will keep working before it stops. The use limit controls how many people can join with that one link before it becomes invalid. After adjusting those, click Generate a new link or toggle the Grant Temporary Membership option if necessary. Generating a new link applies the settings you just chose, so the new address follows your time and usage limits. The Temporary Membership option means people added with this link will be removed automatically when they disconnect, unless they receive a role on the server. Once you see the final link, click Copy. This copies the invite link into your clipboard on the computer. You will not see anything change on screen, but you can paste the link into a message to confirm it worked. On most systems, you can paste with Ctrl-V or Command-V. Now share the invite link with the people you want to invite. You can paste it into direct messages, emails, or anywhere you chat with others. As soon as someone clicks the link, Discord will guide them to join your server or to create an account first if they are new. If you want a permanent invite link, then when editing the invite settings, set the link to never expire and set max number of uses to no limit when those options are available. This creates a link you can reuse in many places without needing to generate a new one every time. Important, you need the appropriate permission to create invites for the channel. If you do not see Create Invite, ask a server administrator to grant you the necessary permissions so the invite options appear. You just learned how to create and customize an invite link for your Discord server on your computer, ready to share with anyone you choose. If this helped you get people into your server more easily, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more Discord tips.